There are many water heater for bathroom products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best water heaters from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Thermomate Mini Water Heater. Rating 4.4. Point of use 2.5 gallons mini tank water heater. Provides instant hot water where you need it with fast recovery, reducing standby loss. Adjustable temperature range from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 149 degrees Fahrenheit. Dimensions 12.95 watts x 12.95 h 16.49 with valve x 11.5D compact design. Can be wall or floor mounted under sink counter. Plug into a standard 120V outlet. Excellent at resisting corrosion, as well as handling and transferring heat at high temperatures. No scaling. Heating efficiency up to 99%. Enhancing the water heater's lifespan and durability. Gold porcelain lining for better insulation and preventing leaking. CSAT and P relief valve cache USA made. All certified, ensuring a safe long service life. Number 4. Mini Tank Water Heater. Rating 4.4. This electric water heater is easy to maintain and has premium glass-lined material for a long service life. Amps 12A. Volts back 120. Eliminates long waits for hot water at your sink. Get on-demand hot water at your every need. Supplies up to 2 sinks at a time, easily mounted. Can be shelf, wall or floor mounted, bracket included. Simply tap into the cold water line and install the water heater directly at the sink to provide hot water. Mini tank water heaters are the perfect solution for a variety of applications, such as small homes, garages, offices, in-law suites, and anywhere you need hot water produced at the point of use. Number 3. Figatti Water Heater. Rating 4.8. Figatti electric tankless water heater can provide you the never running out of hot water, allowing your family to enjoy continuous comfort for their household's needs and whole house. Electric tankless water heaters are typically smaller than traditional tank water heaters, which can be wall-mounted and more compact in size. Tankless electric water heater 240V can be installed in a variety of locations in your whole house, including utility closets, small utility rooms, basement, garage, or even mounted outdoors. Electric tankless water heater only heat water on demand and achieve instant hot water. Unlike traditional tank water heaters, they don't need to constantly maintain a large volume of hot water, which results in significant energy savings over time. Number 2. Hot Water Shower. Rating 5.0. The shower head has an automatic on-off sensor built into the unit. You can also adjust the water temperature by adding more or less water to get the desired temperature. Rotatable ball head, it can be adjustable to the most perfect angle to offer you a comfortable shower. Ergonomic grip handle, rub clean jets for easy cleaning and preventing lime buildup. Requires install 40 amp breaker and 10 Arabin Florins wiring. Does not include connection cable or switch. The electric shower heater must be installed directly to the electrical distribution protection box. Number 1. Tankless Water Heater. Rating 5.0. The electric water heater utilizes an 8 kW heating system. Delivers endless hot water in seconds at temperatures ranging from 86 to 140 or higher. The water heater is equipped with a high-performance cast aluminum heater, which effectively separates water and electricity, scale and corrosion resistant. Our electric water heater delivers hot water instantly, saving you time and minimizing water wastage. You can start enjoying ultimate relaxing and comfort in no time. The electric water heater comes with a thermostat function and over-temperature protection, so you don't have to worry about the temperature fluctuating too much in the shower. It's perfect for large families, busy households, or commercial establishments requiring a reliable supply of hot water. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you, so subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.